Hey everybody, this is Jeff Moore with ICI Homes. I'm out here at Browns Landing, 2470 Hyatt Creek Lane. The home behind me is called the Isabella Tuscan. It's got a stacked stone turret in the front as well as a 3-car garage. Also features a travertine deck pool and spa. We're going to go ahead inside and take a look.
This Tuscan Isabella is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a game room, and it's nestled against a tree preserve on an oversized home site in Browns Landing. The address of this home is 2470 Hyatt Creek Lane. As you walk into the home through the double door entry, you will immediately notice the soaring ceiling heights in this home. Also features tray ceilings with crown molding in the main area. It also has a 4-panel pocket sliding glass door which faces out to the beautiful travertine decked pool and spa. Master Suite also has access out to the pool deck as well as the game room as well. Master Suite has a double tray ceiling with upgraded millwork, has 2 huge walk-in closets, also features the master bath has a large walk-in shower and a garden tub for soaking. This home also features a 3rd-car garage with a Florida basement for storage, gourmet kitchen. This home is now complete. If you'd like to schedule an appointment to come take a look, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.